What's up, guys? Hope you're all having a great day. Wait, what day is it? Oh, whoops. Oh well, sorry about the late vid. I've been working on this one for a while now. I can't believe how hard the keyboard vid blew up, and now 150 of you subscribed to some random dude on YouTube. But I'm very thankful for each and every one of you, and your comments really bring me a lot of joy. Thank you for supporting my channel. But hey, let's get right into the video today. I will be showing you how to make a really nice looking deconstructed phone in a frame. I saw some of these on my Instagram feed, but when I clicked on the price, oh no, $300? $200? Yeah, nah, I can make that myself. So basically, I'm going to show you how to make this $300 art piece for just a couple bucks. First, let's go over what you need. 1. A broken phone that you dropped in the pool, or cracked the screen, or I don't care what you did to it. Number 2, a picture frame. I bought one at Marshall's, or you can get one at Goodwill and Ross for just a couple bucks, like $8 to $10. And finally, some super glue and tiny screwdrivers to take the phone apart. It's really easy and there's no need to spend that much for a nice looking piece of art. The first step you need to do is take apart the phone. Depending on the make and model of your phone, this step is going to vary wildly for everyone. In general though, you will be prying off the back of the phone and unscrewing various parts until the phone is disassembled. It's very helpful to Google the name of your phone and the year and look up a deconstruction guide online. Warning, do not be a dumbass like me and mess with the battery. Phone batteries are no joke, and you will see why right now. Yeah, don't use any sharp objects to pry out the battery like me. I recommend an old credit card or something else that is flat. If this does happen to you, throw the battery into a bucket of salt water and let it sit there for a week. Now that you have the phone disassembled, we are done with the hard part. Organize the pieces in whatever aesthetic way you like. I looked up a lot of references of the real products by searching phone frame art on Google, and I went from there. When you have the pieces in an arrangement that you like, take a picture with a ruler next to it, and also measure the size of your frame. In my case, the frame was 14 inches by 11 inches. Then, you can use Photoshop, or even PowerPoint will work. Create a canvas, and make sure that the piece you're working on is the same size so everything matches up later. You can even overlay the photo and make sure the size matches up so you can just go off that basic. I use little lines and text to make the labels, but feel free to get creative here with whatever designs you like. When you're done with this, you can print it at home, or I chose to go to a print shop to get them to print it on a bit thicker paper so it has a nicer look to it. Wow, good job for making it this far. Now I can do the most nerve-wracking part. Super gluing the pieces into their final positions. Don't use too much glue, even a little will get the job done, and it creates less of a mess for yourself later. It was a bit hard for me to keep everything even, so if someone has a better idea for that, just comment it down below. I'm sure others would be very thankful. And voila, you now have a super sleek and aesthetic wall piece you can hang up behind your desk. Only for a couple of dollars versus the $300 you'd otherwise be paying. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if any of you guys make it, and you can tag me on my Instagram and I'd love to see what you guys create. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.